What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Gym of All Trades channel. We are glad you're here on this Friday. It is June 28th, 2019, and we're going to look at Litecoin and Bitcoin. We're going to look at Litecoin and Bitcoin. So we've got the Litecoin chart right here on the 5-minute chart. Go out to yesterday's video or the day before's video to see the major count. I'm just going to do a quick update video. So if you haven't watched yesterday's, watch yesterday's or the day before's, and you'll see the large scale count where we are. So what are we looking at? This is a corrective wave to the downside, most likely, but it's certainly feels very motive like. A motive wave is a wave that is oh, that's a strong wave. It's a strong wave, generally 5 waves. This is a potential for an ABC. Basically, we have my potential count here is a this is a flat, an expanded flat, A, B, C, where the B breaks the plane of the A. So B generally doesn't retrace past the A, but it does in an expanded flat. And those are tricky waves because when you see it break that high, everybody thinks it's going up, and then you see boom, it just starts going down. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th wave. We're coming down for a 5th wave for C. That's my thinking on this, and so that's what I'm looking for. Okay, now C could be done. We could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it could be finished. That is a possibility. I want you to know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could be heading up from here. Um, so, what are we looking at? If this is corrective, this is what we need to be looking for. Um, Let me go back out to the 15 minutes. Sorry. There we go. All right, so here's what we do. I've got 2 sets of fibs here, okay? Let me show you why I have 2 sets, and let me show you what they are. So the first set of fibs is, this is our low, and then we have an A, B, C potential, okay? That's a potential. Or it could be a 3-wave, okay? So that's a potential, so we're going to throw the fibs on that. We got A, well, let's try again here. There we go. My clicker doesn't click sometimes. I need to get a mouse or something. I don't know. Something's wrong with TradingView or something. All right, so there we go. So why do we use the fib extensions? We show the extension from the A to the B or the 1 to the 2, and it extends a projection out to where we think this wave might come. Now, if it stops at the 1276, it's corrective. If it stops at the 1-to-1 extension, it's corrective. And you can see how we've bounced off that and we're going down. Another potential fib level is this wave right here. This is actually, this looks very 3-wave-ish. This looks like an A, a B, and then we're going up for C. So this could be what we call an expanded flat to the other side as well. So that's another potential as well. We want to be aware of that. And you notice how the 1-to-1 extension then measures up with the 1276 of the other level, and we have a potential of going up to the 125.34 area as a corrective area before we would head down to the 107 mark or lower. Okay, so that's what we're kind of looking for. We want to watch those levels. Okay, so 121, we've got a bounce. Is this going to continue down to the downside or down here and make our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down to the downside, or is this going to continue up to 125? Now, if it passes 129.72, this is definitely going to the upside. There's no doubt about it. This would be a 1, 2, 3 wave. Actually, this would be a 1, 2, 3 wave. So it's really hard to tell because of this tricky nature. This certainly looks 3-wave-ish, so I'm thinking this is more of a flat correction, expanded flat. That's why I have that here. So we're gonna have to be watching that. But your entry was down here at 109 in that ballpark. We had a target of 108. Potentially it front run that, so you should have known to get in here if you did, and you should be riding this up and doing pretty well so far. You've done really well in this trade, so you might be looking to take profit about now or wait. It's going to retrace. It looks like it wants to retrace, and it may come on up even further, or it might come down. So I can't guarantee you those things. So that's what we're looking at for Litecoin for today. What's Bitcoin doing? Same kind of thing. Let's throw the fibs on that guy. We don't have a flat at the bottom though, so it's a little easier to see. So let's measure this guy and see if that tells us anything for Litecoin, because it may help us understand the Litecoin. So what you see here is that Bitcoin has come up to the 1276, and we've got a reaction. So the question is, are we coming down from here, or are we going to continue on to the 1618? If we come down from here, it's corrective, and we're going to make a lower low to about 10,000. If we go up here to the 1618 to 12,800, we're looking for more upside. There will be a pullback, and that'll be your entry point. So we'll have to pass the 1618 substantially and close past it. Then there'll be a pullback. That'll be your entry. That'll be the 4 wave, and that could come all the way down to this level. So we'd have to wait and see. But this is looking fairly corrective in my opinion. It's been slow and monotonous. It's not motive like, it's corrective like. So that's my take on it. I think we're probably heading down from here. We might have a little bit more of a push up shy of the 1618, but then we're probably heading down. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin and Litecoin. So that's just a quick update. I didn't want to leave you hanging. I'm off to see my daughter do a production tonight. She is playing in a musical tonight, and she is the lead. So I'm excited to watch her do that. So anyway, but here's a video before I head out, and you guys have a fantastic Friday night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come join us at the Litecoin swing trading community. Let me just invite you here if you're not a part of that. It's a free group. We're a bunch of traders, and we have a lot of fun. It's a very good learning environment, so don't be afraid to come join in. All right, yeah, we'll talk to you later. We'll go ahead and end this video now.